How to start coding. This was my last reel. In that reel, I've asked people to comment framework if they wanted to know what to do after learning their first programming language and how to build apps. Surprisingly, I got a lot of comments. As you asked, I'm making this reel. See, once you have learned your desired programming language, you need to figure out what are the frameworks available in your language. Let's say you have learned Python, you have Django, Flask, you have learned JavaScript, you have Node.js, React.js, you have learned Dart, you have Flutter, you have learned Java, you have Spring Boot, and the list goes on. You figure out what's best for you. Now once you have selected your framework, start learning it. By learning I mean, don't switch on some random YouTube tutorial hoping that it will teach you everything. Instead, follow this approach. Pick a basic project. It should be very basic. It might be a note-making app or it might be a simple calculator. If you are unable to come up with ideas, go to ChatGPT and ask it for project ideas for beginners. It will give a list, pick one which interests you and start building it. Now you might ask, I don't even know the framework, how to start building? Now the whole point is you need to learn by building. That's how you actually learn. Now go to ChatGPT and ask it how to build this project in this framework. Give me very high level steps and also specifically mention don't give me any kind of code. Now it will give you a 10 to 15 very high level steps. Now you pick each step and learn how to do it. Let's say it tells you to set up a project in Flutter. You go to YouTube or you go to documentation or you ask ChatGPT itself to how to set up a project in Flutter. Now once you have learned to set up the project, now you set up the project by yourself. After completing the step 1, go to the step 2. Again learn how to do the step 2 and do the step 2 by yourself. Now once you have completed all the steps by following this approach, at the end you will be ready with a solid project which you have built by yourself. Yeah, you took help from all this ChatGPT, YouTube and all these resources, but you have only took the help for learning, not for building. Now once you have learned this beginner level project, switch to medium level project. Once you have built the medium level project, switch to harder level project. This is how you learn, this is how you build. Save this for later and comment down if you have any other questions. I'll try making a reel on it. And share this with your friend who is trying to learn coding. Follow for more. Peace.